Hello friends, heartiest greetings from Satyapal Sharma. Friends, in post-pandemic era, on the line, online education is going to be a permanent feature of Indian education system. The teachers, students and parents all are comfortable with online teaching learning. Flip teaching is research-based, technology-integrated system of teaching. It's going to empower students, teachers, everybody. Hope this video will enlighten all those who are interested in education and universalization of education. In the Indian folklores, in good old days, gods, angels, gurus could transfer knowledge and wisdom to their favorite devotees as a boon, as a gift. A foolish herdsman, for example, was metamorphosed into an outstanding scholar, poet and musician, none other than by the mother goddess Kali. In a dream, so did many mistakes, but our teachers did not possess that supernatural powers. Traditionally, students go to classroom for real-time learning or face-to-face learning. But now, technology enabled and empowered teachers can virtually appear in the drawing rooms of their students in a video format. Education is a flexible concept. It changes from country to country, region to region, person to person, class to class, subject to subject. It's like parenting. We try a combination of approaches to impart their experience to the students. Flip teaching is blended teaching. Flipped classroom concept was developed and articulated by Carl Frisch, John Buckman and Aaron Sand. Accordingly, standard definition is flipped classroom is a pedagogical approach in which direct instruction moves from group learning space, I mean classroom, to individual learning space, I mean home. And the resulting group space, classroom, is transformed into dynamic interactive learning environment where students apply concepts and engage actively in the subject matter. Flipped classrooms consist of flipped classroom or flipped teaching consists of 2 rounds of teaching. In the first round, teacher sends online lecture or self-generated videos or slides, assignments, etc. to every student, and the students watch at home online lecture, video discussion, do research, do homework to achieve Bloom's twin objectives of memorization and understanding of facts and concepts. Video establishes dialogues and exchange between learner and educator. In the second round, the learned concepts are put into action in the classroom to achieve Bloom's twin objectives. I repeat, in the second round, already learned concepts are put into action in the classroom to achieve Bloom's twin objectives of analysis and application. Through interaction, through discussion, through debate, analysis, experiment and practical, etc. This approach of flipped teaching is bold and challenging, rewarding and fun-filled. Children absorb lessons easily as they absorb other products of social media. A great deal of non-formal education or incidental learning also takes place outside the classroom as a byproduct from TV, newspaper, talking to friends, playing video games, traveling. Incidental learning happens in the context of another activity or experience. It is important that experience to be engaged should be selected on its merit, like playing video games in another language. Same rules, same structure, same experience, same activity, but learning new vocabulary becomes byproduct of joy of playing. We can bring music, stories and games into school hours and we'll see the engagement level of the students soaring pretty high. In the game-based learning, we push adventure or thrill to the foreground and sneak the lesson through the back door. It's the strongest way to introduce incidental learning. Children are programmed to explore and expand their horizon. I repeat, children are programmed to explore and expand their horizon. Story-based video games are more productive and effective than click-designed digital lessons. Advantage of flipped classroom teaching: better student-teacher interaction, better knowledge and retention, improved test scores, availability and access of best learning resources. Absentees can easily catch up with others and make up for the loss of learning. Instructional content available to the students round the clock, better student-teacher engagement, personalized education to teach students. Fast learners can move ahead rapidly and avoid boredom. Slow learners or challenged students can move on their space and receive specific engagement and tutoring. Prepares students for global citizenship. Flipped teaching suits to multiple learning styles based on multiple intelligence theory. Important: intelligent balancing between synchronization and asynchronization of digital instructional material and in-class activities. Reinforcing of specific issues that students may find difficult through more engaging, interesting and active ways. Freedom from fear of error making is important, and rewarding students for their participation. The biggest challenge is transforming class into an active learning space. The model of Khan Academy in the field of education should not be confused with the idea of flipped classroom teaching. The Khan Academy shows kids sitting in front of the laptop, working drills and watching videos. Then I would like to draw your attention that COVID-19 pandemic has already pushed children into the lap of online education. Flipped classroom teaching is tried, tested and supported by many researchers. Thank you very much. Please hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you very much.